Welcome back students. Myself Raghuvan sir extends the chapter The French Revolution. In the fourth part of the chapter, we will discuss about the next cause, the influence of the American War of Independence and the famine of 1788-89. The American War of Independence took place between 1776 and 1783 AD. The war inspired the French Revolution of 1789 greatly. The French troops were sent to America to help the colonies against England. The victory of the colonies infused into the French people the feeling of getting liberated from the autocratic rule of Louis XVI. Numerous young Frenchmen communicated their enthusiasm to other Frenchmen who were already fed up with the autocratic and corrupt old regime. Moreover, the economic condition of France became highly pitiable and the country had to face a serious economic crisis for participating in this war. Besides all these tragic situations, the population of France rose from 23 million in 1715 to 28 million in 1789. This led to a rapid increase in the demand for food grains. Production of food grains could not keep pace with the demand, so the price of bread, which was the staple diet of the majority, rose rapidly. Most workers were employed as laborers in workshops whose owner fixed their wages. But wages did not keep pace with the rise in prices, so the gap between the poor and the rich widened. It is said that misfortunes always come together, and it so happened in France when the terrible famine arrived in the country in 1788 and drought or hail destroyed the harvest. This led to a subsistence crisis in France during the old regime. It worsened the life of common people and pushed the country to the doorstep of the revolution. Starved and hungry masses of the countryside formed violent mob and thronged the capital. It is worth mentioning that while on the one hand the masses were dying like insects for want of foodstuffs, the members of the royal family, nobles and the clergy were spending money extravagantly on a life luxury. Consequently, the discontent of the peasantry in the countryside and that of urban masses created a very explosive situation. The news that the king was planning to impose further taxes in order to meet the expenses of the state raised anger and protest against the system of privilege. Thanks.